We are once again at the Green Restaurant at Kempty Falls. We had breakfast here on the way to Sakri. So now we are coming back and we are having lunch. And Hardwar is about 3 hours from here. It's around 2:30 p.m. now. So we should reach by 6 p.m. and then we'll take our train tonight to Kolkata. Hello friends, welcome to the 7th and final episode of my trek to Harkidun. In this episode, we are going to travel from Sakri to Haridwar and then board the train for Kolkata. We started from Sakri after an early breakfast and headed towards Mori along the banks of the Tons River. After crossing Muri, we came across the dense forest of tall pine trees on our way to Purola. We stopped briefly at Purola to mend a flat tire and then continued on our way to Nagaon, where we joined the highway to Mussoorie. This highway has recently been widened under the Char Dham project and is a treat to drive on. However, it narrows down significantly before reaching Kempty Falls, where we stopped for lunch. After lunch, we continued our journey to Mussoorie. On the way, we got a really good view of the Kempty Falls, cascading down the mountainside. After driving for another hour or so through some beautiful Himalayan scenery, we finally reached Mussoorie. As we crossed Mussoorie, the weather took a turn for the worse and it became very foggy and cloudy. Due to the bad weather, it took us a couple of hours to get down to plain land. We had encountered some sporadic showers on the way, but they transformed to a full downpour by the time we entered the Thano forest. Driving through this beautiful dense forest in the pouring rain was the most beautiful part of our return journey to Haridwar. After spending a full day on the road, we finally reached Haridwar just as the sun was setting on the horizon. We went directly to the station and boarded a train. After spending a couple of nights and a full day, we finally reached Kolkata. That's all I have for this episode and the series, friends. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of future videos. I will see you next time with a fresh series. Until then, goodbye.